Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable advice on relationships, dating and love. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make a guy fall in love with you. If you are ready to learn some powerful tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Before we begin, it's important to note that making someone fall in love with you is not about manipulation or playing games. It is about creating a genuine connection and fostering a healthy relationship. So, let's get started with our first tip. Tip number 1. Be yourself. The most crucial aspect of attracting someone's genuine affection is to be yourself. Embrace your unique qualities, interests, and passions. When you're authentic, you radiate confidence and become irresistible to the right person. Remember, pretending to be someone you are not will only lead to disappointment down the road. Now that we have laid the foundation, let's move on to the second tip. Tip number 2. Show genuine interest. Show genuine interest in his life, passions, and dreams. Ask him questions, actively listen to his answers, and engage in meaningful conversations. People appreciate when someone takes a genuine interest in them, and it helps build a strong connection. Moving on to tip number 3. Tip number 3. Building a friendship. Friendship is the bedrock of any successful relationship. Focus on building a strong friendship with the guy you are interested in. Spend quality time together, enjoy shared activities, and create memories. This foundation of trust and companionship will make him feel comfortable and allow love to develop naturally. Let's explore tip number 4, which is all about self-care. Tip number 4. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is not only important for your own well-being, but also attractive to others. Invest time in activities that make you happy, pursue your passions, and take care of your physical and mental health. When you prioritize self-care, you exude positivity and confidence, making you even more appealing to the guy you're interested in. Finally, let's discuss our last tip. Tip number 5. Be patient and respectful. Love takes time to develop, and every individual is different. Be patient and allow the relationship to progress naturally. Avoid rushing or putting pressure on him to reciprocate your feelings. Respect his boundaries, decisions, and personal space. Building a strong foundation takes time, so be understanding and give the relationship room to grow. And that's a wrap on our tips to make a guy fall in love with you. Remember, while these tips can help foster a connection, love is ultimately a two-way street. Be open to the possibility that he may or may not develop romantic feelings, and that's okay. The right person would appreciate and reciprocate your love. Thank you for watching. It was fun to make this video. If you have something to add, please leave a comment down below. I will for sure try to respond. And if you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing.